Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, dear MK. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, dear MK. Happy birthday to you. In a 12, in a 5, in a 4, hey, in a 1. Hip hip, hip hip.
Bonke labantu babona nje imbono ukhuliswa yimi. Angaqamba mangena ngamese dumile ethi ngasizwe nesesikhulu sasinga kanje kwakuthi usithole okwakuthi umvelasa amanga lawo bakhuliswa yithi ukuze nibabone. Anobiza thina futhi nikhombisa iqiniso ngoba silapha nje uthando lwethu singakhokhelwe lutho. Okay, ngisho ngithi awubingelele ebese sisondeza bekhekhe.
Okay, sanibona. Awasiphi futhi ngiyanibingelela. Okay, ngicela ukubafana nje ngengoma nje.
Ayiwe lembewu ma.
Kancane nje.
Ayiwe lembewu mfowethu.
Amandla. Viva MK, viva. Forward ngomkhonto wesizwe, forward. Hayibo. Bayabuya nje, bayabuya. Isikhathi sokusika ikhekhe manje. Angithi anikhohlwanga ukuthi MK ina 1 year. Sizoculela uMK 1 year, but before simculela uMK 1 year, ngizobiza ama leader wethu. uComrade Bongani usasekhona, iChief Whip yaseParliament uMzonele Manyi ukhona, Commander lethu, Commander Tontoni, who is the coordinator of the province, ukhona. So comrades, ngizobiza ama leader wethu bese siculela iMK happy birthday, bese siseka ikhiki siyadla ne. Commander wethu khona, i-fundraiser ye-province khona, uComrade Mpiyakhe. Comrade Nomthandazo khona, uComrade Lindiwe, ama-leader wethu, sondelani. Commanders, abogogo, ngicela nisondeleni. Abogogo nabafundisi ngicela nisondeleni. Commanders, ngicela ukuthi ngicela one thing. Ngicela ukuthi sonke sisondeleni e-stage. Ngicela everybody asuke edulweni sisondeleni e-stage. MK is 1 year. Ngicela nisukene emotweni size e-stage. Ngicela nisuke emuva kwe-stage nize phambili sizo celebrate i-1 year ka MK. Comrades, ngaphandle kwestrata ngicela nisondeleni sizo celebrate i-1 year ka MK. Can everybody come closer so we celebrate the 1 year? Ngicela nalabo abahleli phansi ngicela nisondeleni. Ngicela emotweni.
Hamba yo.
Osani la celebrate iMK.
Hamba represent what? Iyanga.
MK is 1 year. Ngicela nisondeleni comrades, we are here to celebrate MK. Amayanga la sondelani celebrating MK. Come through, we are celebrating. Before we start, I'm going to ask Commander Tontoni, who is the coordinator of the province, to say a few words, and then the Chief Whip of Parliament, Umzonele Manyi, to say a few words, and then we start. This is only Keke Namhlanje. MK is 1 year. Commander Tontoni.
Sorry, Commander.
Amanda, comrades, zothanda ukuthi nginibulise ngixolise ukuba late. Niyazi ukuthi kule 1 year ama commitment maningi. Our party in the 1 year ngokonyaka incane, but ngokwempilo nangokuziphatha kwayo inkulu. But siyakule 1 year we must save our party in one thing. As humans, yabona mawuzohlale ukuthi njalo la ekhaya inyama idliwe, uyabona. Sifana njengendlu ehlala impumputhe engafuni ukuaccepta ukuthi ayiboni. In one of the events khona umuzi wawunempumputhe ethize engaboni. Le mpumputhe imayehlaliswa abantwana bakhuluma bathi namhlanje kudliwa inkukhu. Makudliwa ithola igoji ithi nina nidla nkukhu mina ninginika igoji. Kwathi makuyoyenziwa umsebenzi onjengalo we-1 year, kwathiwa hayi hlatshwa inkomo. Bamthengela inkukhu ephelele ke bathi hayi wena uzadla nayo inkukhu iphelele. Wathi namhlanje nina nidla nkomo mina ninginika inkukhu. So ezinye zezinto ekumele sizibhasobhe ku-MK ukuthi singabi ingane ezihlala ezikhala. Inhlangano manje seyihlanganisiwe 1 year kusho ukuthi inamathamba aqinile. So ngaloko kumele sibe abantwana abastrong, wazi ukuthi i-organization ime ngawe as an individual. And mayime ngawe awuthathi into uthathe uhambe ubone manje ngoba sekunento sophisticated ama-WhatsApp ukhulume noma yini. Kumele siqalele manje sithi masikhuluma sazi ukuthi inkulumo zethu esizenzile ngaphambilini ziyimoshile inhlangano. We were busy in Thabazimbu sidila ngecampaign and sesibona ukuthi khona la siyakhona. Yavela ivoice note abahla national baroba le hotel abasipile. It only MK. All other organizations in our deployees was on national, and maybe MKB deploy a few. Other organizations best deploy all their provincial MPLs and provincial leadership and the national leadership develop. MK was very few. So see winning campaign, see or not see winning, but this cost still. Today is only one PR. We can't even win the what even what we see win. See lose because of a statement as Kichosaya, WhatsApp, Sakwala, WhatsApp, we own nationally, and the Mohasuga, Sahamba Sangena, Wamanyama party. But this campaign and Elanga look clean, like Melio vote works. So, Bule 1 year must certainly experience Oguti, Sibonile Gutin Kulumesis Kulumazinja. Sibonile Gunabantu, who doesn't want the organization to be united. Mele scholars applying on those eight, but into manje ishukti. Then even Natama leaders, we must be able to see preside over as in Yezindo. Ungaze kumelwe i-national or a province or any other structure to correct things. A structure at the sub-regional level mele sikwazi ukuba-resolute. Mangabe kuna something structures khulume sithi resolution ye-sub-region 8. And that resolution must be implemented. Akumelanga umeli region or umeli province or umeli. Just nje ngizothi nje compliment Merry Christmas and have a prosperous New Year and happy birthday to Umkhonto Wesizwe. Today it's a road to a birthday and the final birthday is Obisa Mbombela nge 15, Moses Mapita nge 15. Abazokhona ukuya bazokhona. Why amanye ama provinces sibe nayo yethu for Slorasa. We can't afford ukuthi sibe nenye i-transport yale knowing ukuthi iMbombela can only accommodate 60. Moses Mapita can mhlambe next time lesembombela ngakhona we're expecting more than 200,000. So overflow izobiningi, and if nathi sizophuma si-Gauteng City then i-safety file I think event ingagcine imoshakala. But as a stop yabo comrade aba willing aba anayo into ukuthi bayofikela eMbombela Moses Mapita bafike macabane njengoba ngitsho ngithi bangibize eMpumalanga mhlambe khona into engitholile mabatsho ukuthi ngizoyishiya lapho ngiyibisela uhlelo kumnikazi wehlelo mayibu yeah Africa mayibu yeah Africa.
All right, comrades, now I'm going to hand over to point of order. is our chief whip in parliament, Comrade Mzwane, Commander Mzwanele Manyi. I think finally sikuphe igama lasehlathini because mina uCommander kushesha akazi ukuthi wena uCommander bani. For now, Commander Zonikeza uCommander Chief Whip.
Mandla! 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 Viva MK Party Viva! Viva MK Party Viva! Phansi ngamasela phansi! Phansi ngamasela phansi! Phansi nge-ANC phansi! Phansi ngabakwagogo phansi! Mandla! Mandla! Comrades, I'm not going to say a lot of things. Ngizobonga nje ukuthi namhlanje mangifona uNxamalala ngizomnika a very warm feedback. Ngizothi baba kuyabila ekuruleni ngapha nangapha. Yeah. Yazi khona manje khona enye indawo engibuya kuyo ngale. I-leadership elight hayi man labantu kanje. Mina just want to say kule leadership ela ukuthi they must see this as a challenge. Yabona manzi mayebila kumane ukuthi uhluphu kuphumale so awukwazi ucomplain awufuna kube uwe wedwa ngapha ngoba nayenye so mina I'm calling on the leadership here to unite the forces of ekuruleni. Sibafuna bonke ningabanika amagama nithi ama parallel structure. Just find another name yokuthi hayi awuthi yazi abahamba isonto bathi ezinye izimvu ziyalahleka umelusi kumele azilande. So mina ngithi umelusi ula sizomcela kumelusi alande ezinye izimvu. Next time angifika la ngithi hayi baba imvu zakho seziphela sendaweni eyi1. Yeah. Mandla. Yazi kunangoma eyi1 angikwazi nokuyicula kodwa ngizoyizama. Yeah, ngifuna ukuyizama le ngoma. Nizongi-backgrounder. Yeah, mara mangiseshawareni ngi1 ngiyakwazi ukuyicula. Athi ngizama. Oh, hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Oh, hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Jelezwa libuyele kuzuma. Hayi libuyele kuzuma. Jelezwa libuyele kuzuma. Hayi libuyele kuzuma. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Hayi kintehlo linsizwa. Jelezwa libuyele kuzuma. Hayi libuyele kuzuma. Jelezwa libuyele kuzuma. Hayi libuyele kuzuma. Mandla!
Amandla! Thatha lento! Ayinamungozi! Phakama Nxamalala, phakama! Happy birthday MK, happy birthday! Comrades, niyazi wayesilane MK na 1 year. Next week Sise Moses Mabhida. But for now, we are celebrating with our volunteers here in Ekurhuleni. We are saying thank you for all the hard work you've put through and all the patience that you put through during elections, whenever. Siyabonga kakhulu as MK, and we are here to eat with you. Naili keke, sizolidla now. Happy birthday. So I don't have a singing voice, guys.
Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, dear MK. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, MK. Happy birthday, dear MK. Happy birthday to you. In a 12, in a 5, in a 4, hey, in a 1. Hip hip, hip hip.
athi ingoma yenu. Nomthandazo. Ingoma yenu yena. Aya ngisho sapana sisebenza. That is like it's a festival. We are here to enjoy. Be safe, comrades. Be very careful in the paper. I'm an artist as
Isabukala